Hello student, welcome again to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhayandar East. Our department Humanity and Science. Our subject name, that is the course, is Basic Mathematics. Our course code is 22103. Myself again, Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. In today's lecture, we have to start the previous related topic, that is the matrices chapter same, unit 1, chapter 3. So what you see in this diagram, it is look like the enclosed bar bracket, the numbers are there, some blocks are there. In previous lecture we study about the types of the matrices. Now we continue the remaining criteria and operation belongs to our matrix topic. Most probably, in the numbers there are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. In a matrices form, they are also called the algebra of matrices. In this topic, must we have to study about the addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, scalar multiplication of matrices, that is the scalar multiplication, transpose, inverse of matrices, and our last but not least method, that is matrix inversion method. Now in today's lecture we must focus about how to calculate the addition of matrices in the any form of any types of matrices. We have to must study addition of two matrices. Means what? Suppose I give the square matrix, which means the two rows and two columns are there, A11, A12, A21, A22. That means A11, A21 first column, A12, A22 second column, A11, A12 first row, A21, A22 second row. Obviously. And capital B is the square matrix against two rows and two columns, where B11, B12 first row element, B21, B22 second row element, B11, B21 first column. Yes, that's right, first column and element, and B12, B22 are the second column element. So we have to calculate now the addition between these two square matrix. How it is possible? We allotted the A11, A12, A21, A22 in a first bracket, that is matrix A. Middle is plus, that is addition symbol. Second matrix B11, B12, B21, B22 allotted here. So now addition is possible to position of the elements. A11 and B11 are allotted in the first row and first column position. A12, B12 allotted first row second column position. A21 second row and first column element. B21 obviously second row first column element. A22 second row second column element, B22 second row second column element. Now we have to take the position elements addition only. How? Let us try. The A plus B means that implies A11 plus B11, that first row element, first row and column element, A12 plus B12, that means the second column of the first row element, that is A12 and B12, A21 plus B21, that is the second row first column element. B21 same, second row first column element from the another matrix. And A22, that is obviously second row second column element, plus obviously second matrix, that is B22, that is the second row second column element. It is in a mathematical way. We better understand this in a pattern of the example. How it is possible? You better understand. You allotted the position of the element must be add in the matrices concept. I give the example. Suppose 3846 is the first matrix. 401 minus 9 is obviously second matrix. How it is possible then addition between these two? We have to add 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Next element is 8 and this one is 0. So 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. I allot because minus 3 because the minus is for the negative numbers is minus 9. So that's why 6 minus 3 is minus 3 we evaluate. So we allotted 7 here, 8 here, 5 here and minus 3 here. Directly also you have to must define the addition of the matrix, that is 3 plus 4 7, 8 plus 0 8, 4 plus 1 5, 6 minus 9 that is minus 3. Second tricky example same also we have to mention. 3 4 2 1, 1 5 3 7. These are two matrices and we have to add this matrix. How? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 7 8. That is the matrix 1 plus matrix 2 is equal to matrix 3. That is addition between any two matrices given this another matrix in a form of the addition. I revise again. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 3 5 and 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Another example but another pattern of the matrix. How? We have to find A plus B. First row is 1 1 1, 2 2 2. It is the second row. In a second matrix 1 2 3 first row and second row is 4 5 6. It is not a square matrix. It is called a rectangular matrix. Have the order the 2 rows and 3 columns. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 rows. 1 4 2 5 3 6 3 rows. So we have to add this. It is possible. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 6. So we know that 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 plus 6 is 8. So we form the new pattern of the matrices, that is the 2 rows and 3 columns. In previous example we take the 2 rows and 2 columns matrix. In this example we take the 2 rows and 3 columns matrices. The addition is same. The position is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Here B11, B12, B13, B21, B22 and B33. So we have to add the position elements only. Same trick we have to follow now the another pattern of the example which consult the addition is same. But we have to must verify the order is same or not. How many rows are there? 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. That means 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the 2 columns are there. That is the order is obviously how much? 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay. Let's check the order of B matrix. 1, 2, 3. first column, 2, 3, 4, second column. The first row element is 1, 2. Second row's elements are 2, 3. Third row element is 3, 4. That means the order of matrix B is also same, that is 3 into 2. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. So now we have to add 1 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4. So what is the answer? 1 plus 1, 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 3 plus 3, 6 and 6 plus 4, obviously 10. So in previous example, we take how many rows? Obviously 2 rows and 3 columns. In this example, we look out the addition of 3 rows and 2 columns are obviously. We have to first check the position of element and then we have to add the elements of the different two matrix. Now, matrix addition, to add 2 or more matrices, first make sure that the same size they add their corresponding elements. I mentioned just that thing, we have to revise here. To add 2 or more matrices, first make sure that they are the same size, then add their corresponding elements. Let us check the how many rows in a first matrix. 10, 0, minus 4, 5. That means first row, second row. 10 minus 4, first column. 0, 5. Obviously, it is how much? Second column. Minus 6, 3, first row. 1 minus 7, second row. Minus 6, 1, first row. No, it is the first column. 3 minus 7, it is the second column. So be particular about the first matrix and second matrix. So order is same. 2 by 2 is the order of first matrix and 2 by 2 is order of matrix second. 10 minus 6, how much we derive? Plus 4. Because the minus 6 plus 10 is always give the value 4. 0 plus 3, 0 add to anything. Answer will remain same, that is 3. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 gives the answer minus 3 because minus 4 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is always give minus 3. 5 minus 7, obviously 5 minus 7, what the answer we derive? Bigger is minus 7. So that's why minus is, and 5 minus 7, it is obviously 2. So we derive the final answer of these 2 by 2 order matrix. How in this example is different because many elements have the negative sign. So we have to add the matrix, then that means the sign will be remain of the second matrix and we have to interchange in between addition and subtraction of such thing. So now let us try the another pattern example be allocated that's the same way. So we have to revise the 2 by 2 order matrix elements same here. I take the 1, 2, minus 3, 4. We have to check 1, 2 in a first row, minus 3 and 4 in a second row. Same trick apply. 4, 3, 5 minus 1. That means what? 4, 3 means what? It is allocated in a first row and 5 minus 1 allocated in a second row. Now check the column of the elements are same or not. So obviously same are there. 1, 2 in the first, no, 1 minus 3 in a first column, 2, 4 in a second column. 4, 5 first column and 3 minus 1 same. So 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, minus 3 plus 5, 4 minus 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, minus 3 plus 5, 2 and 4 minus 1, obviously 3. So from all these examples, we understand if both the matrix have the same order, then we should add the element allotted to that position. So we describe in this detail how we have to calculate the 2 by 3 order matrix addition, 3 by 2 matrix addition, 2 by 2